What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be the announcement of the winner of this Android radio. So about a month ago, I did a review on this radio. It's a 10-inch Android radio, and I said all you had to do is post a comment below, and out of those people that posted comments, I would pick a winner, and you guys get a free Android radio. So today is the day we're going to pick that person out of the comments that won the radio. So the person that I picked to win the radio is going to be Alicia and Anthony are the winners of the Android radio. Alicia and Anthony. You guys are the winner. If that's just one person, two people, I don't know. But you guys won the Android radio. In the comment, it said that it would look nice in their GMC Sonoma. So hopefully it works out for you. Hopefully you guys enjoy it in your GMC Sonoma. And just contact me. Go to my YouTube page, and you should see my email in there. And go ahead, hit me up, and we'll take care of all the shipping arrangements so we can get this out to you. So once again, congratulations on winning the radio. I plan on doing a lot more of these giveaways in the future. So, and you guys that are interested, keep watching the videos. And maybe it's a product you'll be interested in that you guys be hoping to win. So that's it, guys, for this video. Like I said, Alicia and Anthony, you guys are the winners. So congratulations. Thanks for watching, all you guys out there and supporting the channel. And I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.